this is Katherine with Building Brilliantly with MONAT. Got a box and wanted to show you guys what's inside. So let's open it up. Sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather today, so my voice might be a little squeaky. All right, I'm super excited, hoping it's a certain something. We shall see. It is. We got the color line today. I'm so excited. So they have Brunette, Platinum, and Brilliant Blonde. Color line comes in 3 different colors. Brilliantly Blonde, Perfectly Platinum, and Beautifully Brunette, or Beautiful Brunette. These products are actually in pre-launch right now. So they're having a sale this weekend for VIPs or new VIPs and MPs on these products, and we're all super excited to see them and get them because they're all brand new for all of us. So this one is Perfectly Platinum. It is for people who are gray or very cool blonde. It's the conditioner, and this is the shampoo. It smells good, I think. Let's see. And it does smell really good. And look, it's bluish. Fun. So if you're a cool blonde or you're gray, this is the line for you. Which I'm trying to decide if it's the line for me. We'll see. This one is Brilliant Blonde. This is for warmer blondes. I know this one has chamomile in it, which is why I might lean towards this one because I love chamomile. It smells good. There you go. Brilliantly Blonde. Maybe you guys can comment on my video and tell me which one you think I should go. Warmer or cooler. So there's the conditioner for that. And this one is Beautiful Brunette. What I'm seeing is that if you are a red and you're a warmer red, you would like this line as well as if you are brunette. So this one I know has some walnut in it and really turns your hair a rich color. I've seen some nice before and afters on this line too. Beautiful Brunette. So if you're a richer, warmer red, you would want to go this way, or brunette. Or if you're a light red or a warm blonde, you want to go this way. And from my understanding from the before and afters I'm seeing, but these are in pre-launch, they're brand new products, so I'm excited to see what else comes next. I'm actually really excited to let a certain friend borrow those. Those are the products. So if you are not with MONAT already, you can actually sign up this weekend as a new VIP and get these products. If you have been looking for a color line that is botanically based, that is gonna actually help heal your hair, have healthier, happier hair, while being UV protected and give you the best brilliant color, I'm so excited about this line and what it's gonna do for you and what's gonna do for me. But MONAT has actually announced their pre-launch sale is actually this weekend through the 5th. If you are a brand new customer, you can sign in as a VIP and get this line, or if you're already a VIP or an MP, these are in pre-launch. They're on sale this weekend. If you buy this line, you'll actually get Rejuva for $12 this weekend, as well as better price on the products. And if you're a brand new VIP and you want to sign up with me, I'm going to throw in an extra shampoo into your bundle as well. So you'll actually get 2 shampoos if you sign up with me this weekend as a brand new VIP. Reason being is that these products are actually best if you use either one of the hydrating or volumizing shampoos first, and then use the color line as your second wash, then follow up with a conditioner. So because you're a brand new VIP, you probably don't have a first shampoo yet, so I'm just gonna throw that into your bundle this weekend. Sale is good through the 5th of March, and remember that's Eastern time. So that's all. Thank you guys so much. Please comment below if you think I should go platinum or if I should go brilliant blonde. I haven't decided yet. And follow my YouTube channel and look at the links below. Thank you so much. You guys all have a good afternoon. Bye.